Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to EPSEX online support program. Today we are going to cover page number 40 of student's book and page number 24 of workbook. It is related to unit number 3, food, glorious food, in which we are going to cover language focus 1, articles. You need a student's book, workbook, notebook, a blue and a black gel pen. In this lesson, we will learn about the correct usage of articles in writing and speaking. Let's have a thought of the day first. Do it now. Sometime later becomes never. It means that what you have decided today, just start to do right away. Maybe you don't get chance to do it tomorrow. For this lesson, we have following objectives. Identify the use of articles, apply articles in speaking and writing, and use articles to complete the sentences. First, just look at the previous knowledge. What do you know about the countable nouns? The countable nouns are the nouns which can be counted. For example, apple, school, boy, eggs. Uncountable nouns are nouns which cannot be counted, like butter, water, oil and sand. As you can see that you cannot count the butter, like you can say that I am having 1 butter or 2 butter. And same way you cannot say that you can count the water. So our today's topic is article. Use of a. It is used before a singular countable noun. The noun that can be counted, but it should be singular if we want to add on a with it. For example, a cup, a tree, a book. A is also used to express the sense of any. When we want to mention any, we use a here. For example, sometimes we have our after meal in a restaurant. It means any restaurant. When we refer to an object for the first time, a new teacher started at our school yesterday. We are talking about the new teacher and we are talking about this teacher for the first time. So we will surely use here a with it. When we describe someone's job, he is a chef. We are describing the job of the person, so we are using a with it. Let's see the uses of an. An is used before a noun which starts with a vowel. But be careful, this noun should also be singular countable noun. An egg, an owl, an apple. It is also used before a noun which starts with a vowel sound. It's not necessary that there must be a vowel in it. There are some cases in which the vowel is not present, but it gives us the sound of vowel. So with these words, we also use an. For example, an hour, an honest man, an honorable lady. Here the H is silent, so we are making the sound of a here. Exceptions. There are some cases where you could find the vowels, but we do not use N with them. For example, unique. U is vowel, but here it is not making the sound of vowel. So be very careful, a unique car. We cannot say an unique car because unique word is making the sound of y, not a. Same, a European girl. European girl, here the E is present, but E is not making the sound. The sound is y. So we will not use N with it, we will use a with it. Let's move on to the third article, which is the. We use the to refer to a particular item or thing when we want to show the focus on any particular thing, we use the with them. The restaurant in my town is always crowded. Now we are talking about a particular restaurant that is in my town. If I am going to mention any other restaurant, so I will not use the with it, I will use a here. But here I am particularly mentioning the restaurant which is in my town, so I will use the with it. To refer to the things we have already talked about. For example, I have talked about the new teacher, a new teacher, but now I am going to say something more about that teacher, so I will use the here. The new teacher speaks 4 languages. Here I am using the because the second time I am going to mention the teacher. With some countries including plural names. For example, the United States, the Philippines, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. With some of the countries, not with every country, but with some of the country, we use the with them. We also use the before superlatives. The Sushi Palace is most popular place for sushi in New York. So here I have used the Sushi Palace, and I also have used the most popular place. The most popular is the superlative. So with the superlative I am going to use the here. Next is to refer to a class of people or thing, like the old, the rich. To refer to the nouns which are only one in the whole universe, the earth. There is no other earth, so we will use the with earth. The South Pole. There is only South Pole in the whole universe, so we will use the with South Pole. Same, the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the only ocean in the whole universe, so we are going to use the with it. There are some cases in which we do not use any article. What are these cases? Before abstract noun. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are those nouns which you cannot see or you cannot touch them. For example, time is money. Time is a noun, but it is abstract noun because you cannot touch the time, you cannot see the time. So this is called abstract noun. With the abstract noun, we do not use the. Sport is good for you. Same way, you cannot touch the sport or you cannot see the sport. That's why we are using sport is good for you and we are not using any of the article. Before meal, unless we describe meal. How? Eating lunch is important. Here we are not using the with the lunch. But if we are going to describe the lunch, so for example, the lunch my mom cooks is very good. Here we are going to describe the lunch. So in that case, if we are going to describe the meal, we will use the with it. Otherwise, we will not use the with it. For example, lunch, breakfast, dinner, you are not going to add on the with them until or unless you are going to describe them. If you are going to describe them, then surely you can use the with it. When we talk about things in general, I love dates. He plays cricket. So here we are not going to use the with or any article with dates or the cricket. What is the difference of and the? There was a rule in which I have described you that somewhere when we mention someone for the first time we use a, but when we mention it for the second time we can use the with it. So here I am going to give you some examples that how it can be done. I saw a person yesterday. Because I am talking about a person for the first time, so I am using a with it. The person was sitting under a tree. Now you can see I have used the with the person. Why? Because it is the second time I am mentioning the same person, so I am going to use the with it. But if you see, I have used a tree here because I am describing the tree, or I am mentioning the tree for the first time. The tree was very tall. Now I am talking about the tree for the second time, so I am going to use the with it. The tree was very tall. The person stood up when he saw a cat. Now you can see the person is coming for the third time, so I am again using the with it. And he saw a cat. A cat. A cat. Why I have used a cat? Because a cat is mentioned here for the first time. The cat jumped on a wall to try and catch a bird. Here again you can see the cat because I have mentioned the cat before, so here I have used a with it, but now because for the second time I am mentioning it, so I will use the here. And again a wall is used for the first time, and a bird because I am mentioning the bird for the first time. But the bird flew off the wall. Here I have used the with both bird and the wall because I have already mentioned them in my previous sentence. So I have used with them, but now I am using the with them. So I hope so that with the examples of all these sentences, you can understand that for the first time when we mention anything, we use with them, and when we mention them second or the third time, we use the with them. What you have to do in learner's book, page number 40, you have to do the exercise 1 and 2 in book. And you have to do exercise number 3 in notebook. Then you have workbook page number 24, in which you are going to do exercise number 1, 2 and 3, and all these exercises you will done in your book. I hope so you understand this lesson.